welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Jazz, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing. I recently made a purchase from Louis Vuitton, and I just figured why not come up here, unbox it, and do like an initial review on the product, as well as like a little mini story to go along with it. So I purchased the Bumbag from Louis Vuitton. Let me just open it up. So this bag is like in super high demand. It's actually really crazy. When it first came out, it was sold out everywhere. I don't think it is anymore because I've been seeing it on a website so frequently now. Even though in stores, I think it's still pretty hard to find. If you went to resell places like Poshmark or eBay, this bag originally retailed for $1,500. When it came out, I seen it on Poshmark for like $5 grand. It was absolutely insane. So now I feel like the bag is readily available, or you know, at least more available than it was previously. And for me, that was a good thing, because when I find something I like that's pretty pricey, or something I want to do that's pretty pricey, I actually take the time to like save my money to get it. So initially I was happy that it was sold out because it gave me more time to, you know, get my coins together. But as it was sold out, the price was increasing, and I absolutely hated that. This bag has gone up like 4 times, I believe. Initially when it came out, it was $1,500, and currently the price is $1,760 if I'm not mistaken. I'll insert all the details in the video, but I just thought that was just absolutely ridiculous. And that's one of the reasons why I was going back and forth, you know, getting this bag, because I was just like, all right, y'all really trying to play us. Like, why do y'all increase the price like this? And I understand like luxury brands tend to do that, but this bag went from $1,500, I think it came out like 2 years ago or something like that. I could be wrong again. I'll insert all the details in the video, but you went up from $1,500 to $1,760. It's like, and for what reason? And not only were we in the middle of a pandemic where people are really having to save their money, and we're not going anywhere. Like, I just couldn't understand the reason for the price increase, especially during this time. And on that note, it really had me thinking, like, I have the Speedy, and when I got the Speedy, I think I paid like maybe $800 or $900, maybe. I honestly don't remember because it's been a really long time. And now the price of a Speedy is like over $1,000. I'm like, that is absolutely insane. I don't know, I never paid attention to it, but whatever. So, you know, I purchased it online, so this held my receipt and everything like that. Just a little thank you card for purchasing with them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing much, you know, nothing major. A packing slip if I had to return it. Just my receipt, and yeah, just information about exchanging, returning, you know, the product. Pretty simple. So this is the bag that I wanted for quite some time. I definitely went back and forth with getting this bag, just because when the price kept increasing, it was a bit of a turn off. It was just like, okay, really, like, y'all really gonna do this? But I will say, you know, I have small children, so these type of bags, these fanny pack bags, are like a lifesaver. I don't even carry like large tote bags anymore. Oh, this is the dust bag that it comes with. So I have the Gucci fanny pack, and I feel like I've been like wearing it down to the ground, and it's pink. So I literally grab it regardless of what I have on. I could care less. It's just so convenient, you know, especially if you're running errands, or you're running after your kids, or you need your hands to be free. These type of bags are great, and I personally just fell in love with this bag. And I just feel like, you know, it's such great quality, it's timeless, you know. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. It's great quality, it's timeless, and it's just something that will last, and it's just super convenient. So let me put this box away. So when I was making this purchase, it's crazy. I almost really didn't get it because there was so many things that was happening with my order, and I was just getting disgusted. The first time I purchased it, I used Apple Pay, and they said they couldn't process the Apple Pay, but they charged my account. So that took a couple of days to clear up because they were saying they didn't have an order, but my bank was saying otherwise, and the funds were taken out of my account. So it was just like, okay, how are funds extracted from my account for an order that doesn't exist? Anywho, we figured that out. I went to purchase it again. This time I purchased it over the phone with a client representative, and I paid for it. Everything was good. They gave me an order number, and then they canceled my order again. So I said, you know what, this ain't nothing but God. I don't need this bag. Like, it's too many things happening. Like, what's going on? So they called me back, and they were just like, look, we're so sorry. We don't understand what's going on, why this order keeps getting canceled. You know, we're going to figure it out. You know, we'll give you a call back. And, you know, they did. They called me back, and, you know, I really wanted to just be like, you know what, forget it. Like, just forget it. But I just went ahead. Third time's a charm. Went through successfully. Didn't have any issues. They actually offered me complimentary overnight shipping because I kept running into issues and nobody could figure it out. So I will say, I think this is going to be my last purchase from Louis Vuitton, simply because I ended up having one person to really help me out through this situation. She was the person I talked to initially when my order wasn't processed, but the funds were taken out of my account. And then she was the last person that I dealt with when it came time to offer me the complimentary shipping and apologize for what was happening. But in the span of those things happening, I spoke with about 3 client representatives, and they all were just absolutely terrible. Like, they just didn't have an answer. They were so dismissive, and it's just like, figure it out. Like, put a manager on the phone. If you can't, like, you can't tell me I just have to suck it up. Like, you don't have an answer to this problem. Like, that's your job. You know, and if you can't figure it out, then find somebody who can, because you're a luxury brand. These bags are not cheap. So if I'm spending my money, and sidebar, if I'm spending $5 or $1,500, I demand, like, proper customer service. I don't think that's a lot to ask for. But anywho, shout out to this girl. I think her name was like Amara, I want to say. I don't know. But anyway, shout out to her. She was dope. She definitely helped me out, and I appreciate her. And Louis Vuitton, you need to hire more client reps like her, because the other ones you have are absolute trash. So anyway, this is the fanny pack. So it has this, you know, little handle thing right here. This is the belt. Now, one thing I like about this is, look, you could tell already, look how, like, you could tell how long this belt is. So it should fit everybody. Like, I don't see anybody having issues putting this on. So the Gucci fanny pack that I have, the one thing that I don't like is that it's not adjustable. The way it is, well, let me not say it's not adjustable. It is adjustable. It's just that it doesn't give you much leeway. I had it when I was pregnant, and of course, you know, your belly's going to grow a lot when you're pregnant, but very quickly I had to just start wearing it, you know, over my shoulder or, you know, whatever, because I just couldn't put it around my waist. So I like the fact that this is super long. Like, everybody could fit this. This has a back pocket right here, which is another thing I wish Gucci had. This pocket is great for, you know, money, your phone, you know, anything you kind of, I guess, want to keep hidden, not hidden, but just more secure against your stomach or your body. So I like, you know, the fact that it has this pocket. It has 2 zippers in the front. I hear a lot of people, you know, that were really complaining about this. I personally don't mind it, simply because if you want to utilize both zippers, you can. If you want to just, you know, zip it one way and just open it one way, you can. If you want to bring them both to the middle, you can. I don't really see it, you know, it's not a big deal, but whatever. And this is the inside of the bag. So I do like how much space this has. This bag is definitely bigger than the Gucci one that I have. I wish I had brought it upstairs, but I don't feel like going downstairs to get it. But this one is actually a lot bigger, so I like that. And then it has this little hook here, so I guess you can attach it to, like, your luggage, a pocketbook, you know, I don't know, whatever you want to attach it to. So I do like that. And then, you know, this little flap I also appreciate because, you know, it goes over your zipper. So I definitely like that. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this purchase. Simply because, like I said, I was grabbing the Gucci one way too much, and it's hot pink, and it didn't matter what I was wearing. I was grabbing it because it's just so convenient, and I just wanted to, you know, have another option to grab something that definitely goes, you know, with, you know, your more everyday attire. So that's why I picked this up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding it, I guess you could leave it down in the comments below. If you have this bag, definitely tell me what you think about it. Like I said, this is an initial review, so I guess in a couple of months I'll do another one. I am curious though to see, to look into what people treat their straps with, because I didn't realize that you could treat your straps. Like, I don't mind the weathering of the straps with, you know, the oils from your hands and things like that. I don't mind it turning that brownish color. But I do think that this initial color of the belt is beautiful. So I'm going to look into what people use to treat it so that it doesn't turn a different color. It doesn't weather. But yeah, if you've ever treated your bag, please let me know. Let me know what you use in the comments down below, because it's something that I think I'm interested in doing with this particular bag, especially since I feel like I'm going to be using this a lot. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you know, were definitely entertained by it. And I'll see you in the future with more videos. Bye.